So good everyone, Mazezoke once more speaking to us. I have just seen an exclusive video from the SARS in Umuahia where they have busted a kidnapper's den. And that's a very fantastic video. Obviously you will see a distressed woman that they are asking question, and it appears they've caught some of the kidnappers from the conversations they have, and some of them appear to be outside. There are some, watching the video, there are things I think that they've done that it isn't right. But the reason why I just want to make this short clip is to show you guys the video. Then you watch the video and see, how fantastically at least these people have been rescued. Now, this is what we expect SARS to do. SARS is not there to be checking on people's phone to see if they are chatting with Mr. A or Mr. B. This is the job that they are basically anti-kidnapping, anti-robbery, not stopping people collecting 10,000, 5,000. If you cannot pay, they tell you to, do something, and they collect your PIN with and collect cash with from POS. These are condemnable acts that they do. However, when they do the ones that are good, we must equally commend them. In this case, myself, Mazezoke, is saying, SARS, well done. This is, this shout out is going to SARS Umuahia zone, Umuahia in Abia State. Now, watch the clip.
Umude, do you have a husband?
No.
Go back. Go back. Yeah, stay. How many are you with that they kidnap?
2.
Is anybody inside here? Come. Just stay here. Just stay. We are cop, don't worry. They called us from Umuahia, don't worry. Just keep quiet. He said you people are 2. Can you call the second person to come?
Okay.
Can you call him to come? Emeka?
Come on, so I'll rescue you. Come on, that's us.
That's us, come. Eh? Are you tired?
When you carry your head here. Give me, come and rescue this over here. No, leave pastor. Leave pastor to enter. Pastor, travel. There is one Emeka inside. Emeka with rifles arrest. Where is Emeka? Rescue Emeka everywhere.
Rescue Emeka. Go, Emeka, come.
Emeka, is there any person, any police here? Any SAT, any robber here?
Yes, I mean, with somebody.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, with someone else. Oh yeah.
Go ahead.
Jesus Christ.
Rescue everybody. You are rescued, yeah? You are rescued.
Emeka. Emeka. Just keep quiet. How many times they have sex with her? Eh? Okay, they've been sleeping with her since.
You are rescued.
Okay.
Stand there. Yeah, hide my phone.
When did they kidnap you?
When did they kidnap you?
Last night.
Last night. Where is your car?
They dropped it along with my picked another vehicle.
Okay. You where did they
These guys
kidnap
are
you?
going.
Eh?
These guys are
Eh?
going.
Eh?
These guys are going.
Where did they kidnap you?
Correct.
We need somebody to stay. Make we carry that one where they are alive. Go.
Go do what, Papa?
Hey!
Make it no final.
Oh God! Oh.
I don't know what did I put teach him, sir, eh?
We need to get evidence from him. He need to talk and show us the house.
Teach him, eh?
You need to show us the houses.
Chief.
Okay, yes.
Huh?
Okay.
So, having watched that video, you can understand what I want to say now. There are a few points, I think, in their operations that they didn't get right. The guy, taking this video knew that that lady was in her underwears. You can see how he said, go back. Go back, because that lady was blindfolded. The only reason why he asked her to go back is to get the view of her down below to show that she has got nothing on. And, It was something that I personally think was unnecessary. Second point is, you can see when they've gone into the bathroom where the other two men were kept. Two of them were tied. The other one on yellow was equally tied. There was no empathy to say, okay, can we untie them first? Can we evacuate them to get them to safety? They were already making calls on the phone regarding the one of the kidnappers that were outside that was wounded. I think, well, they've done a good job to rescue these people, but I think there is a lot to be learned here. We must learn how to handle people properly. One is the video have leaked out. Second is, what was the concern? I mean, not much empathy was shown. Even people were still blindfolded, and you were asking them, "Oh, when were you kidnapped? When were they sleeping with the woman?" I mean, come on now, come on. These are interrogations you will do when you have rescued the victims and you get into your office. You can begin to ask those questions. These are not questions you ask in the front line, because imagine for a second, yes, you have some of them down, but imagine for a second that the kidnappers had any form of reinforcement and just come back. What would have happened? If you guys probably, in the usual way, assuming you run away, the victims will still be there. There will be much more trouble. For me, the best thing would have been go in, evacuate, then ask questions later. Once more, this is Mazes, okay? Signing out.